you know.
Please, he has a question for you, sir.
That if due to any reason the exams are not possible even in September, then is there any outer limit to conduct the exam, or till what time we can wait? And if at all the exams could not be conducted, then what will be the scenario? Will the session be entirely zero session? And in that situation, what will happen to the next year admissions? Will two batches of plus two pass out students compete for the same number of seats next year? This is my question.
No, answer.
Difficult question to answer, but I would like to believe that we will be able to conduct in September. And if you are not able to do that, we will two batches, simultaneously is an issue in terms of logistics and all of that. But I think we will have to see, what other options we can consider. We can absorb a semester kind of a break. If the next semester doesn't happen, we will be able to still absorb it by, because December would have been a vacation time, and May to June, July would have been a vacation time. By consuming the December month and the summer next year, we would have brought things back to a normal state by at least end of 2021. By December 2021, we can absorb at least a semester delay now. We would have brought everything back to a normal state by January 2022, even if we lose this complete semester. That is what at least at IIT Delhi we are prepared right now in terms of our academic calendar. But if things cannot even happen in September, if it goes on till next February, March, it's a crisis. I can tell you, we don't know. We will have to see what all options we can consider, and so we will have to. I can think of a few ideas, but it will happen. It's not that we will cancel admission for a year already. That will not happen. We know, how much it means for a student, and to cancel it, and then for the same number of seats to make twice the number of students to compete. I think that we will never do. At least I will never do for IIT Delhi. So, and I would argue against that. And the students will not lose any of their opportunities. And as an institution, we will find ways and means to actually do that. So even if it gets delayed, it won't happen that the admissions will be cancelled. That will be the last, or not even the last thing. It won't.